Hi everyone, I'm going to stir fry my vegetable spring roll filling. I put a little bit of vegetable oil and put in the frying pan here to be cooked before you doing spring roll. So most of them I put a little bit of vegetable oil and I just add a little bit of water. And then we just put the cover on. That's very fast to cooking. Also very safe your electric. Also, I want to introduce myself. I am Nita. I born in Thailand and married and come here to Canada. I live in Canada for 26 years. And I have a small business, I do everything myself. So I love what I do what I love. I love cooking, I love hiking, I love nature, I love gardening in the summertime. And I want to share with you with my passion, with my love, and my cooking, and everything in my life is simple. That's about who I am. So sometimes when we cooking, we just have a shortcut. See, the always already here is cooking. Because in the here now, we have everything. Not everything we need because I living in a small town. So we just do whatever my cooking is authentic Thai food. So everything I know and learning about, so I want to share with you. So there. If you have any question, you just comment below and ask question. I will answer you. That's very fast to cooking that. And you just do it again until you're done with the one you make. Oh, sorry.